And then we know it's open approach, right? And we're doing the lower arm and wrist of the right? So we're going to add a 5 to our digit, right? OLB 5. And then we move across. What's our procedure? Open LB 5. And then we move across. What's our procedure? Open per endoscopic, and it was open approach. So then our 5th character of our digit is going to be OLB 5 O. And then our device. Did we use a device? Was it diagnostic or no qualifier, right? It does not say anything about our procedure being diagnostic. We have no choice but that our 6th character will be a Z. That's a given. And then because it's not diagnostic, we're not just going in there just to look-see. We're actually going in there to do the tendon issue. So Z will be our next character. So let me put this in this. So as I do examples when I'm trying to learn PCS, what I like to do is pick one color code to follow an example and go through the book as far as the index, right? And then through the table and then write them out. We were doing a EXCISION of the right lower of the right lower arm and wrist tendon open procedure.